As a part of the aging process, natural collagen breaks down, diminishing facial volume. The result is the appearance of wrinkles, facial lines, and skin laxity that robs your skin of its youthful appearance. Radiesse, a volumizing filler, helps minimize the effects of aging by immediately replenishing lost volume. This reduces the appearance of wrinkles and folds, bringing back a more refreshed appearance. Immediately upon injection, Radiesse filler does exactly that. It fills. The gel carrier and calcium microspheres found in Radiesse provide the immediate volume needed to provide lift and diminish the signs of aging. The true benefit of Radiesse is what happens under the skin after treatment. Radiesse acts as a scaffold, providing structure for your own natural collagen to grow. This collagen ingrowth extends the initial effect of Radiesse, resulting in correction of up to 1 year or more in many patients, so you can enjoy a long-lasting, natural, and more refreshed appearance. Radiesse is biocompatible as the microspheres are comprised of minerals occurring naturally in your body. Over time, Radiesse is reabsorbed through your body's own natural metabolic processes. While the results of Radiesse are long-lasting, they are not permanent. Studies have shown Radiesse provides immediate lift by restoring volume, as well as stimulating the body to produce its own natural collagen for long-lasting results. Radiesse injectable implant is FDA approved for subdermal implantation for the correction of moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds, such as nasolabial folds. After injection, patients may experience redness, bruising, swelling, or other local side effects. Most side effects of treatment resolve within a few days. Experience what millions worldwide have and begin your journey towards a naturally more refreshed you today.